Hello everyone. In the previous class, we have discussed two topics: importance and uses of water and sources of water. Today, we have two topics: drinking water and water pollution. The first topic is drinking water. We get drinking water from taps in our homes. This water can get dirty, so it must be cleaned before we drink it. We should drink only the clean water. So, how to clean drinking water? There are so many methods to clean drinking water. The first method is boiling. Drinking water should be filtered or boiled. Boiling kills the germs in water. So, why we are boiling the drinking water? Because boiling kills the germs in water. The second method is stored in clean and covered utensils. Drinking water should be stored in clean and covered utensils. Otherwise, the insects or other kinds of dirty things may fall into the drinking water and the water may be get dirty. Next, use a water filter. Drinking water can be made safe for drinking by using a water filter. If you are using a water filter, then we will get pure and clean water. In cities and towns, water is purified and stored in big tanks and is sent to our homes through pipes. In big cities like Bombay, Delhi, in these cities, water is already purified and stored in big tanks and is supplied to our homes through the pipes or taps. Next, dirty water. Drinking dirty water can cause disease like jaundice and typhoid. So that's why we should drink only the clean water. If you are drinking the dirty water, it may cause different kinds of diseases. Next, our topic is water pollution. What is water pollution? Making water dirty is called water pollution. From this picture, you can understand how much dirty the water is. So, we are causing, we means the human beings are the most important part to make this water dirty. No other things, animals or birds or insects, they never make the water dirty. Only the human beings, they are making the water dirty. Next, what are the causes of water pollution? Mainly, there are three causes for this water pollution: industrial, home and agriculture. Humans dumping rubbish into ocean, and factories also dumping their waste into the ocean, and people also littering this water bodies, and through the sewage and waste also causing for the water pollution. So all these are responsible for water pollution. Then we can prevent this water from getting polluted in the following ways. That means we can prevent this water pollution. It is our duty to save the water and to prevent water from pollution. First method is do not throw factory waste in water bodies. So don't throw any kind of waste into the water bodies and factory waste also. Avoid throwing household waste in water, like plastics or other kinds of things. Don't dump into the water bodies. So some people, they have a habit of taking bath and washing clothes in the water bodies. It's not a good habit. So do not wash clothes or do not take a bath in the water bodies. It may cause to pollute the water bodies. So it's our duty to save the water and to save the water from water pollution. So today we have discussed two topics, drinking water and water pollution. You have to read this chapter 4, page number 28, and try to find out the answers of exercise A, page number 29. We will discuss the answers in the next class. Okay, thank you.